Princess, behave yourself. Me talk to you before me come out of the house. Tell yourself to behave yourself, or else me will slap you in the crowd. Me will slap you. All right. Me say you behave yourself. Behave yourself, man. Why are you hitting the child? You should not hit the child. Excuse me? It's wrong. And who tell you say you have the right to tell me how to raise my child? No, you should not do it. Don't hit the child. And if your parents did a slap you from you did little and bend the tree from you young, you not fast in a people business and you don't know me. I will call the police. Don't hit the child. Go and talk over there, man. And you may can slap. Go and talk over there. Too fast and ups. I don't even know what she's saying. What's she saying? Oh, you don't know what me saying? Me say, when you see me with my child, mind your own business. No matter what me do, mind your own business. You're too fast. And don't make me come over there, come pluck out your two eye them. Mind your own business. What's hard and bright? Sit down, princess.